Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussing about the crystallization methods and their applications. Okay. From the crystallization method, we have to separate the pure solids from the impure sample. Okay. Applications also we are discussing. And drinking water diagram. Today I am going to discuss about the drinking water diagram, a flow diagram of the drinking water supplied from the water works. In cities, drinking water is supplied from water works. Okay, I will give a flow diagram in that. So what are the processes involved in that drinking water supply? Okay, here first, drinking water generally we are obtained from the reservoirs, lakes. Okay, from the reservoirs, how can we obtain this drinking water to our home? Okay, in that what are the processes there, which processes are involved, and how can we get the drinking water? This is a rough diagram I am giving. This is a reservoir. For suppose this is a reservoir. Generally, we are obtained the water from the reservoir or lakes. Reservoir. Okay, reservoir. From the reservoir, in the water works, that reservoir water to allow to the sedimentation tank. So, in the sedimentation tank, what is the use of sedimentation tank? To allow solids to settle. In that water, any solid particles is there means that solid particles is settled under the sedimentation tank. Okay, from the pipelines, we can obtain this reservoir water. We can flow into the sedimentation tank. This is a sedimentation tank. This is a sedimentation tank. Okay. In this sedimentation tank, what is the use of this sedimentation tank? Sedimentation tank to allow solids to settle. To allow solids to settle. In this sedimentation tank, solid particles, if any solid particles in that water means that solid particles settle in the sedimentation tank. From the sedimentation tank, that water we can allow into the loading tank. What is the use of this another loading tank? What is the use of that loading tank? To sediment the suspended impurities. To sediment the suspended impurities. Okay, and this water we can allow to the loading tank. And this water we can allow to the loading tank. This is a loading tank. Okay, now what is the use of this loading tank? Loading tank. In the loading tank, to sediment the suspended impurities. In that water, any impurities is there means we have to sediment the suspended impurities in the loading tank. To sediment the suspended impurities. To sediment the suspended impurities. This is a loading tank. And after that loading tank, we can pass into the filtration tank. After the loading tank, that water we have to pass into the filtration tank. Okay, this filtration tank this is a filtration tank. In the filtration tank we have to take the water and fine sand and gravel and coarse gravel. Okay, so some of the big stones and medium stones and sand, fine sand. This is a okay. These are the coarse gravel. This is a filtration tank. Filtration tank. This is a coarse gravel. After the coarse gravel we have to take the gravel. We have to take the gravel. After the gravel we have to take the fine sand. This is the fine sand. Okay, the above the water. This is the water. This is a fine sand. This is a gravel. This is a coarse gravel. This is a coarse gravel. Okay, from this filtration tank, that water we can allow into the chlorination tank. Okay, so what is the use of chlorination tank? This water we can allow into the chlorination tank. This is a chlorination tank. What is the use of this chlorination tank? Chlorination to the kill bacteria. Chlorine, it will be kill the bacteria. In that water any bacteria is there means in that chlorination tank chlorine is there. That chlorine will be kill the bacteria. Chlorination to kill bacteria. Chlorination to kill bacteria. From this tank we can obtain the pure water to our home. From this we can obtain the pure water to our home. Okay, this is about the diagram of we can obtain the pure water from the water works. Pure drinking water is supplied from water works. How can we supply it in the cities? From the reservoir. That water can allow into the sedimentation tank. In that sediment, what is the use of this sedimentation tank? Any solid particles is there means that solid particles is settled in that water in that tank. Okay, after that this water is allowed to the loading tank. What is the use of this loading tank? To sediment the suspended impurities. Any impurities is there means that we can suspend in the loading tank. After that water we can allow into the filtration tank. This is a filtration tank. In this filtration tank we have to take the fine sand and gravel and coarse gravel. Okay, so in that any small impurities is there means we can filter by this filtration tank. After that this water we can allow into the chlorination tank. What is the use of this chlorination tank? In that chlorine is there, that chlorine will kill the bacteria. After that pure drinking water we can obtain in the home. These are the process of the drinking water supplied from water works.